Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to calculate 6000% over 600%. We first need to convert the percentage. We're going to convert the percentages to decimal forms. Okay, so we are going to write 6,000, percent, all right, equals 6,000 over 100 is equal to 60. Are we together? Number 2, we're going to write 600% is equal to 600 over 100 is equal to 6. Hope you have seen what we have done. So we need to divide 60 by 6. So we are going to write 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. Sorry about that. It's 10. Therefore, 6,000% divided by 600% is equal to 10. So 10 is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Also remember to like the video, leave the comment, tell us what you think about our videos. Thank you and see you on the next video.